What's good, y'all? Hope y'all have had a great week. It's Friday for me as I'm recording. It's Labor Day weekend. Excited for that. Gonna see my family, and we're going to enjoy some good food. Hopefully, good weather. It's good weather right now, but it's saying that it's gonna be raining here in Austin, so hopefully not. We're trying to, enjoy the weekend. It's 5 already. We're gonna go to 4 different places. Two of them are for food, and two of them are for dessert. I know, but that's just what I'm feeling today. So that's what we're gonna do. That's where I'm gonna take you guys. Um, I was looking up places, and some of them looked pretty good. That's where we're going. Others is just that's what I was feeling. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll let you guys know where we're going once I get in the car. But they close kind of early, so gotta get to it. So I'll see you guys. Okay, then. We're in the car now. Time to go and try out some food. The first place we're going to, it's called Korean. It's no, not Korean. It's called the barbecue chicken. My fault. It's called barbecue chicken. Like that's its name. It's like a Korean fried chicken place. It is in Austin. I just checked the address, so we are going to be in Austin this time around, not in Round Rock, but it's still pretty north, so it's not like downtown Austin or anything like that. So we're gonna try that out. The other places are there too. One of them is a dumpling place, but I'm not really sure if it's a restaurant or not, or it's just like a store where you can buy dumplings that are frozen that you can just take home. So we will see in an hour or so. And then they got this like Japanese cheesecake or like a dessert shop, and I saw some pictures of some cheesecake, so I wanted to try that out. And then I wanted to try some of the Korean shaved ice. I've had it before and I really like it. I've seen some pictures here and they got a bunch of different flavors, so wanted to try out a different flavor. I typically just go for like chocolate or the fruit one. So see if they got anything else and try that out. Also, I have a microphone on. I know last time y'all couldn't really hear me too well and I didn't know how to like do a voiceover, so I was like, let me just get a microphone and do that. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if it's better. I mean, I'm gonna watch the video, so I will know. But yeah. So let's go on to the first place. Okay, we're here. It's a cool little plaza here, actually. So we'll try it out. I'm gonna go to that fried chicken place first, but then we'll see if I'm gonna go to that dumpling place or these other places. I didn't see them on Google Maps, so we'll see. I'm excited though. Okay, so I ordered some tteokbokki. It's fish cakes and rice cakes, I believe. I added some cheese. I'm not a big cheese guy, but got it. It looks really good, really spicy. Got a little egg here. A lot of sauce, really saucy. Okay, so this is me trying it now. Mm, no, cheese ball. It's so hot. It's pretty spicy too, but I like spicy. Mm. Mm-hmm. Here's some of the fish cakes. So here's some of the fish cakes. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The sauce way spicier than what I'm used to with these. I like it. I really like it. It's a little sweet too. Get a little more. Get the cheese pull. Cheese. Cheese. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then just the egg. Let's try the bread. A little bit of cheese. Hmm. I'm not big on cold eggs, but it's good with the sauce. You pair it with the rice cakes. Helps put some of that spiciness, you know, onto the fried chicken. It's really crispy. I don't think I've ever had Korean fried chicken before, but I know it gets a reputation of it being really crispy and really good. So I'm here for it. I got the wings. You can order boneless wings or the whole chicken. Opted just for the wings this time, but probably next time, since I'm going to so many places today, next time I might get the whole chicken and get different flavors. But this one is just their spicy, like original. So I'll let you know. So let's try this out. The wings. Let me try pretzel first. Mm. You hear that crunch? It's crunchy, alright. Mm. It's not necessarily spicy, but it's real good. You can tell it's seasoned. Hmm. Not dry at all. Mm. Can you hear that? Wow. Yeah, really good. Now what I want to try this. Some of that sauce. Some of that sauce instead. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. They can give you gloves, but I'm okay. No, no. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, it's really good sauce. Some cheese. Some of that cheese. Right into the wing. I don't know if I'm lactose intolerant, but I'm gonna pretend that I'm not. This is really good. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, probably some of the best fried chicken I've ever had. I'm scared because I don't really like fried food that much. It's just too heavy, I feel. But man, it doesn't feel too heavy. But I mean, it's only my second wing, so I'll get back with y'all once I'm done with everything. But batter, 9 out of 10. Flavor, the rice cakes and fish cakes, the sauce, definitely 9 out of 10. But the actual chicken, it's juicy. Flavor's not really penetrated from the batter onto the chicken, so I'm just gonna bring it down to like bring it down in terms of the chicken itself, like a 6 out of 10. But overall, probably what, 8 out of 10. 7.8 out of 10. It's really good. It's really, really good. I'll get back with you guys. Okay, and that was everything. It's really good. Good first experience. Solid, feeling heavy, feeling the oil, feeling the fried. On to the next place. I think it's gonna be the dumplings. I'm gonna go wash my hands first, and then think about where we're gonna go. We'll see you there. Okay, so I did come to the dumpling place. It's called Steamy's Dumpling here in Austin. I just ordered some soup dumplings here. It came with some house sauce. I also got some chili oil and some soy sauce. So I will let you guys know what I think. They look really good. If you just move them a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks pretty full to me. All right, okay. I don't have the best lighting, but that's okay. Gotta get a little tripod, gotta get a little light thing, but bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Okay, so I'm holding them the wrong way. That's awesome. Okay, so, oh no, my first one ripped a little bit. Oh no. Yeah, it ripped. Okay, that's okay. But you can see the little rip on it. That's my fault. Oh. Burn my tongue there. Okay. Mmm. The broth is good. Regular. You can taste the pork. You can taste the scallions. Scallions? I think. Add a little bit. Okay. That works. I'm gonna try and see if I can scoop it, actually. Yeah. Okay, so I have scooped here. See all the soup in there. So, and okay. Okay, I did it again. I swear I'm better than this. Let's try this one. The dumpling itself. Okay, it's the hot sauce. Got real salty. Yeah. Okay, put a little too much house sauce on it. Let's go for the third one. let's, let's see if third time's the charm here. It's just so. All the soup is down here. I need fatter spoons, maybe. Or I just gotta get better. It's a skill issue. Okay, you're right. It is. Got it this time. Okay, broth. Broth is good. Probably give the broth like a 6. The dumpling itself, the actual dumpling, it's good. It's a good dumpling. Um, you can see them preparing it here actually. It's just really cool. I'm trying to pick up my chopsticks again. Okay. Eating them a little fast because the cheesecake place is closing soon, so gotta eat this quick. Mmm. Mm-hmm. And chili oil. Mm-hmm. Makes it way better. Now with the chili oil, like a solid 8. Whoops. I don't know if I'm eating these dumplings correctly. This is the way that I was shown in one video, one time. So that's what I've always done. Natural meat, not really seasoned all that much. So probably like a 5, just right down average, just it's what it is, pork. And last one night, but that's okay. That's okay. Just gives me more space for some sugar. I'll put some here. Yeah, just sprinkle some on it. Some onto the actual soup part. And cheers. Mm-hmm. No, sugar was really good. I could see myself coming here to like, not to dine in probably, just to like to go and try out the others. They have like seasonal ones too. I think the seasonal one was like a jalapeno, or not seasonal, but like a month one, dumpling of the month. So pretty cool, pretty good dumplings. I give it a 7 out of 10 in general. So it's a C. It's not bad. C's get degrees. All right, off to the cheesecake. Okay, so I don't know if you've been able to hear me so far. I don't think I've been talking loud enough, or I'll have to watch this back. But I'm in Snowy Village, and I am going to have the shaved ice here. I got the cheesecakes. I was there just in time. Super lovely. I have a video of me going inside, but they didn't have any places to sit or anything, and they were closing soon. So I just went and got food. I got 2 different flavored cheesecakes and then a cheese tart as well. So I will go back home and I'll show that and try that out at home. I asked if like I needed to heat it up or anything. She said no, like it's cool like that. So that's what I'm gonna say. That's what I'm gonna do. She told me that I can keep it up to 3 days, but we'll see if it even lasts more than tonight. Cause it looked good, but yeah, we'll just have to see. They look super fluffy, really good. So we'll see that. But right now I'm trying out the shaved ice. I got a chocolate one, so I'm a big chocolate person. I like vanilla, I like strawberry, I like different assortment. But I wanted to just try out the chocolate one because it looked a little different than the ones that I usually would get. It might be the same, and it was just the picture. But want to try that out. I saw a green tea matcha one. I think I want to try that one next. But it had red beans and other stuff on it, and I like red bean. But last time I tried it on shaved ice, I didn't really enjoy it all that much. I would have it when I was in Japan. I tried it, and it was good. I really enjoyed it. I had it in buns and then in taiyaki, which I ordered a taiyaki here as well, and I just got the regular custard just to try it out. Haven't had one in a long time, so I'm gonna try that out here too. But I do like red bean. I just decided to get the custard one for the taiyaki, and I don't know, maybe I just wasn't feeling too adventurous to try out the taiyaki, the red beans in the shaved ice, but we'll see. I will be back once I have the shaved ice. I also got a regular. Maybe I should have gotten the small one, but maybe I'm overestimating myself or underestimating their sizes. We'll see. Okay, so let's try it out. Cheers. Okay, you need to make a little pause there. I think the cocoa powder went down the wrong part of my throat. I inhaled it, but it's really good. Mm. I could never describe the texture of it. If anyone knows, Mm, it's not ice, but it's not ice cream. It's very unique, very good. I got some brownies too. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Brownies kind of like a dark chocolate. Really good. Also, I'm not one of those people that think you can never have too much chocolate. You definitely can. The reason I like this though is because the actual ice part is still ice. It's not chocolate, so you can split it. Right, so it's not insanely chocolatey. I've been to a place where the ice was chocolate as well, which that can get too chocolatey. Where you have chocolate syrup, the ice is chocolate. You got brownies, which it's still good, but I can only have like 2 bites of it. With this, mm-hmm, mm-hmm, really good. If you've never had it, please do yourself a favor. I've shown friends, family this. Mm. I think I discovered this like 2 years ago, back in Dallas, this area in Carrollton. If you're familiar with Dallas area, it's so delicious. It instantly became one of my favorite desserts. My toxic trait, though, is thinking that it's not bad for me since it's just ice, which I'm obviously wrong. But I'm going to continue to think that. It makes me feel better. Lets me eat it guilty free, which is important. Mm-hmm. And it's real cold. It's getting a little cooler now, actually, here in Austin. I'll say that. It's like 86, so that's cool to me. I think last week we were in the triple digits a couple days, which that's Texas summer for you. It doesn't change if I'm in Central Texas or in North Texas or in East or in West or in South. Texas summers are hot. Mm, it's really good. Okay. Now, you split it in half. You can see the texture coming out of it. Let's try it out. Mm. Hope you heard that, Chris. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. So, it's funny because usually it's in the fish, like the fish shape. This one it's in a rectangle, but then it has like the print of the fish on it. It's pretty funny. Mm. So crispy. Look at that. One of the better taiyakis I've had. Mm. It has a fish shape, but it doesn't have any fish flavor. If anyone was curious, it's just bread and whatever filling. They have so many different fillings. I went for custard. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm only gonna eat one half of it because I still have the cheesecakes. So I don't want to get too much bread. I'm gonna get fat here. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cover this. Little box. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Almost done. One more bite. Oh man, maybe I should have gotten small. Cheers. Oh man, made it a little nicer. Okay. Well, successful. Taiyaki, give it a 9.5. One of the best taiyakis I've had outside of Japan. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, I will see you guys back at my house. So these are the cheesecakes from Uncle Tetsu. So this is the original one, and this is the one that I got that is a cherry blossom flavor. So it's one of the seasonal ones. And then I also got a seasonal cheese tart right here. So it's a strawberry one. I also got pretty cool. Came in this little box right there, or yeah, little bag thing. So here, let's try cutting it a little bit. See how this looks. I think I ate too much of the ice, so I won't be eating a lot of cheesecake, just enough to try it. But let's take a look here. So, oh yeah, yep, looks amazing. Looks so soft. Let's try it out. So let's try out the cherry blossom one first. Just like that. Cheers. Yeah, it's super airy. Never tasted cherry blossom before, a tree. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I can't tell you. But it tastes good. Mm-hmm. Super airy. Not a lot of sugar. It's bread really. It's how I would describe it. It's just sort of more like flavored bread, which is really soft and like premium sort of bread. Look, a little bit of a stem from the cherry blossom, I'm assuming. It's really cool. So that's that one. The bread itself, yeah, like 8 out of 10 for sure. Really good. Doesn't have too much sugar, which it's a good thing and a bad thing because I'm just tasting the bread, so it's good. Now, the original, each one was $14, so I'm not really sure if that's a good price or not, but that's what I paid. Now let's try the original one. Okay, so we're gonna try out the original one, just as soft and as airy. So, cheers. Hmm. Is it? I would assume it's like butter. It tastes very buttery, in a good way. Same thing. The texture on this bread, on this cheesecake, is insane. It just like you can just put it in your mouth, push your tongue on your roof, and it just evaporates into. It just melts across your entire tongue, and it just coats it and hugs it in the bestest of ways. So really like that one. And last but certainly not least, so the little cheese tarts. It's a strawberry one. All of them have the little cool little logo on it, which I really like. So let's try this one out. Love strawberries. Mmm. Mm-hmm. My favorite. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Is this a cookie? Well, if it isn't, I can't bit it. No, it's like a white chocolate. That's good. This is by far my favorite. Those are like the really good. I'm gonna give just both of them like an 8 out of 10 actually. This a 9 out of 10 because the strawberry, it's tarty. It's exactly what you want it to be, and then it's very hard actual bread. It's not too soft, so you see how it just breaks rather than like crumble away. Right, it's awesome. Mmm, yeah, super tarty. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna need to go back for some more tarts. How long is the strawberry season for? Because I need to literally get as many as they can make. No man, dangerous. I'm glad I only got one. I would have finished a whole dozen or however many I would have gotten. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the cheesecakes, $14. The cheese tart was $4.50. Okay. For $4.50, yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it. I didn't really check how much the cheese tart itself was, but that's why it tastes so good because it is $4.50 for one of them, which is definitely steep for that. But I think it's worth it to try. Would I get the other flavors? Most definitely, but you definitely want to spread it out because although I ate it super quick, it's pretty filling. It's a filling tart. It's pretty big, and yeah. So that was all for today. A lot of food. I'm definitely going to. I don't know how I'm going to keep this up really with eating all of this. It's Friday, which I'm lucky. I have the whole weekend to just kind of, and it's a longer weekend because of Labor Day, so I have a longer weekend to sort of recover from this, just in terms of the sugar, in terms of the oil that I had in the fried chicken. But I mean, to cap it, it was everything was really good. I really enjoyed everything. It was a good day, good food day. Um, Definitely recommend that barbecue chicken, that place. in Austin. It was really good. I just probably wouldn't eat all of it in one sitting. It was really oily, or not really oily because it wasn't like dripping down my hand or anything. Sorry. It was more so just a lot of fried batter. And although it's good and crispy, really crunchy and everything, it is a lot for me. I don't need a lot of wings like that. I don't need a lot of fried food in general. So it was a little hard to finish all of it, but good nonetheless. Um, the rice cakes and the fish cakes, they were amazing with that sauce. That sauce is everything. That sauce was so good. It was pretty spicy, but it was a good spicy. There's that spicy that just numbs your tongue and you're just in pain for a while. This one, it kind of like pinches you a little bit, gives you that little sense of pain, but then it just relieves you with that sweet sensation towards that in the back end of your mouth, which I really liked. The dumplings, they were good. I failed on like all of them almost on getting the soup correctly. They all ripped on me, but it was good. I enjoyed it. The pork wasn't too seasoned. It wasn't like very seasoned or anything. The actual dumpling itself was cool. The soup was good. The chili oil, that was the highlight there. It was really, really good chili oil. It wasn't like regular. I don't know. It was just really good. The snow, the shaved ice, that was delicious. Definitely going back there when I can. It's not too far either, so I'm happy about that. I'm starting to learn sort of the area around Round Rock, and yeah, I'm having a good time. It was really good. I like the chocolate. I like the cocoa powder. I like the brownies. They were interesting. Um, the whipped cream on top. Um, Everything was good. I enjoyed it. The cheesecakes, they're really good. Really friendly staff. Really enjoyed the lady that helped me out there. The cheesecakes were good, but the tart is definitely the highlight there. I think overall, my day, really good. Really good. I'd give it a 7.5. So, a C, just a C. Maybe a C plus in the closer to the 8 range, or maybe at that B minus. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. I think I would not have changed anything this time around, just because I got to try different stuff out and different variety of food. So now I know where I'd want to go back to and what I'd want to try next from those places. We will have to see where I'm going next time. But again, really appreciate it. I'm just doing this for fun, really. I'm enjoying this a lot. Um, yeah, and hopefully the audio is a little bit better, but I was watching through some of it, and it was kind of like breaking off a little bit, or had a little weird sound to it. So I'll have to figure it out. Maybe I just have to talk a little louder. But hey, I still appreciate you watching this and giving it a shot, and letting me know what you think. And if you have any recommendations, let me know. It was cool. It was cool. I will see you guys next week on what we're gonna try. Maybe I'll record something this weekend as well if I end up going and go get food with my family somewhere. But we'll see. I'm still kind of getting used to the eating in front of a camera thing and looking in the right direction. Um, but yeah, maybe next time I'll have a little bit better preparedness with my equipment. With I say equipment, it's just my microphone. um, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know any other places you'd want me to try out. Thanks.